Hello everyone, today I'll be showing you guys how to use the batch update feature and how to do your best to not mess up while you're doing it. So to start, already giving you guys a good recommendation, it would be to refresh your Magnus billing page before doing any kind of change using batch update, because this way you can get rid of all filters and all the other stuff you were doing before. So this way you're gonna be sure that only the items that you want to affect will be affected. So let's refresh our page. So what we're gonna do here is go to roots and go to the providers. And these are some sample providers that I've added prior to this video, and we're gonna make some changes to them. So if you want to, for example, change a value for all the providers, in this case, I'm not gonna apply any filters. I'm simply gonna click batch update and make the change that I want. So for example, I want to add $10 to the provider. So I input $10 and press in the plus here because I want to add 10 and click save. Now all the providers have $10. We can also use, for example, I could set it to 50. I want a percentage and I want to add it. So I can add 50% in the base value. So now they have $15. So let's say I want to add in some filters. I want the providers that have that they contain the word provider. See, so that other provider that did not have the word provider did not get included in this update. So let's batch update that and say that we want to increase our balance by 50 USD. Bam. So now if we clean the filters here, you guys can see that it only affected the ones after filtering the results. Okay, so let's say that this old provider here, we want to find providers that have less than $50 balance. See, so you can keep applying filters, making changes, and doing batch updates. We can also do the opposite, which would be balance bigger than 50. If you watch it, or if you watch it our filters video, you're gonna know how to use exactly all the filters. I really recommend you guys to watching that. And so the batch update feature is pretty straightforward. You can simply do whatever you want with it, and it's very useful. So I think that's basically it. So now let's clean the filters here. So it works very flawlessly, and it's a pretty great feature. So thank you guys for watching. Be sure to watch our other videos and subscribe to the channel so you can get notifications about our new videos.